Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Pretibhala, aptitude coach. But today I'm gonna discuss something that is away from happiness. Imagine if I'm a devil and I want to destroy this current generation. What should I be doing? Minded students, you need to focus at what are the pointers I'm talking about. I'm a devil and I'm going to destroy the current generation. So just see, hope you're not being destroyed. The first one, normalize distraction. Everything onto our phones, onto the screen, short attention spans, and a high dopamine level. The second one, I'm going to weaken the real relationships. As a devil, I would weaken the real relationship. In this current scenario, if we analyze, we are the most connected world onto the internet, but the most loneliest generation. We need to check upon. The third pointer I would say is I would confuse the identity. Being a devil, if I confuse the identity, we would never shape up our real behavior. I would confuse between LGBTQ. I will confuse between Indians as humans and Chinese not as. Americans, Gujaratis, Pakistanis, everything. I will keep on confusing with even LGBTQ community as well. The next is I will make happiness as an external factor. I will say happiness doesn't lie within you, it's something else external. I would ask a lot of people to keep on buying a lot of things, stocking up. The real scenario, can you relate? We have a lot of things in our cupboard, but when we want to wear something, I don't have anything. So, what it is making happiness external. Next is I would really erode the critical thinking. The genies that we have, the AI apps, the chat GTP, what we have, the AIs, it is we have stopped critically analyzing the situation and the thought processes. Rather, we are giving the command and the answer is there. And it is exactly making my brain dumb because we are not putting our own thoughts towards it. The next, as a devil, what I would do is I will celebrate busyness over being. I would enjoy being busy and would never be a mother, be a friend, be a sister. I'm never present. So when I'm not present, I'm not enjoying being human being. That is a reason we can really analyze onto the streets, onto various platforms. The people are just busy not being, and they are not even concerned what the other human being is going through. We are celebrating, one part of the world is celebrating and the other part of the world is on war. We need to understand busyness over being. The next is being a devil, I can undermine education. So, what I say, education is not required. Rather, everything is available as a skill set, and I can easily get the prompts, the AI commands. And what happens, I would encourage more of memorizing the things, putting onto the paper, not critically analyzing, not connecting industry with the academia, and just going ahead and getting that certificate of a degree so that I can present to the world. Might be I have not developed my mind, but I have got that certificate. So if I am undermining the education, next is I will disconnect from the nature. And what is happening, destroying the nature and just relaxing in an AC room, destroying the shades given by like lush green trees and enjoying something as trees. And we have seen what exactly is the impact of it. The most impact as a devil I can create is if I can silence the soul of a human being. So here it is a pointer. I really want every one of you to think, are we exactly moving towards a happy world or a world that has been created by devil and they want to silence the soul of the humanity? So here is a point, we should exactly come up as a counter move. Being human, we need a counter move, and that counter move starts with having the awareness of all these aspects, analyzing where is my role, what role I can play, how I can cut all those old habits and start crafting the new ones. Until and unless we are destroying and disconnecting the waves that has been created earlier, cutting those and creating the new habits, nothing is exactly going to change. So what I have to do is I have to go with the awareness, we have to go for reflection and the action. And please, student, mind it, our brain keeps on developing. It is neuroplasticity. I can fall in love with anything into which I'm focusing upon. I can fall in love with my studies. I can fall in love with the club. I can fall in love with my clothes. I can fall in love with anything, because wherever my attention is going, definitely that is going to bring more links towards me. Thank you.